12:02 a.m. I'm about to hop on my bike and do my favorite bike ride to Town Center in Virginia Beach. It's my favorite time to ride because nobody's out. It's Sunday evening, and you can kind of just rip through, do your thing, and nobody's going to bother you. So I'm going to try out this new gimbal and see how it looks. Let's rock and roll. Got the gimbal all set up, all balanced out. It's the middle of the night. Nobody's on Independence Boulevard here. I can pull right out onto the main road. I'm not going to do it for long because of these drunk drivers on Sunday night, but it's nice to be able to be out here. So let's slow down a bit, hit a curve here, and get rolling on the sidewalks. Nicely lit section. This section right here is pretty good. I know this road very well because I do it all the time, especially at night. There's a few ups and downs, but for the most part, it's straightforward sidewalks. Now, I'm running on 700cc tires here, so I do have to be careful about popping them because I've had to walk home countless times. So it's a sport. The sport is to see how fast you can go under the circumstances and keep going. So you got leaves, you got those tree branches I just hit. I'm gonna angle the camera down a little bit further so you can see what's going on here. All right, so we got these curves here. You gotta watch for right turn traffic. This part of the road is well lit, which is nice. There's also some spots where you're going in blind with no lights, so that makes it very interesting. There aren't too many dips in this part of the road, so I don't have to worry about popping a tire, but there are some places along here. And look right here. There we go. Rock and roll. Watch your curve. Slow down a bit. There we go. And we're on the power again. This is what makes it fun. Rolling through these sections right here. Can't see around the corner, but you kind of have to plan ahead for what's coming through. The key is to be as fast as you possibly can without having to walk home because you lost another tire. That is the key. That's a sport right here in Virginia Beach. All right, we're in top gear, rocking and rolling through these sections. The good thing is you don't have to worry about pedestrians this time of night. Other times of night you have to slow in these curves because you can't see around the bushes. Shit. All right, got a little slippery spot here. Got some cones, but that's all good. All right, power on again. This is the fun part. All right, we're back to the town center already. So this is just dealing with traffic here. Most importantly, dealing with traffic that's drunk, not paying attention to where they're going. But for the most part, it's a breeze because there's no traffic on Independence. Coming up on Virginia Beach Boulevard, 2 lights from here, which is the most busy intersection in the area by far. But Sunday nights it's beautiful because you can roll through there no problem. Got a lot of bad curves right around this area, from manhole covers to curves like this one and this one, and manhole covers like this one, but it's all good. Makes the sport more challenging. Holy shit. All right, you gotta watch out for this one. This one will cut into your tire. All right. Ouch. That was a down bump. Coming the other way, you have to really watch that. That'll cut your tire in pieces. All right. Following Independence Boulevard. Now we hit Virginia Beach. Following along Virginia Beach Boulevard. Town center is on our right. This section can be challenging during a weekday or any time of the day because of pedestrians, but the challenging part is always crossing Virginia Beach Boulevard here to the right. No problem this time, right? One car I have to wait for. This is awesome. Cheesecake Factory. Fountain, Ruth's Chris. Let's roll. Our turn. Here you stop signs. Making a turn here. Mind having better brakes where I ride, but Virginia Beach Town Center is quite fun, especially for filming because you got some cool lights right up in the parking garage. Let's see what this looks like. rough. Window shopping at its finest. This is the way I window shop right here. Like this. By the Cheesecake Factory. Alright. That's what I call it, window shopping. Alright. Some of these places are still open late on Sunday night, so you gotta watch out. Alright, this is a fun place. Worthing Sanderson Entertainment Center. Right through here, relax, to the park, and up the ramp, and down the ramp. That right there is Town Center at night. Whew. Taking a break to check out the footage and recalibrate the gimbal, see how it's flying, and we'll go from there. So much fun out here. Beautiful weather tonight too.